Laura Madden, and this is ReFashioned art. These are a few of my these are a few of my newest pieces of ReFashioned art, and I'll tell you a quick story about those before I get started. This week was such a gift. It really was. It was a small win. It was a win for sure. I was invited by Channel 3 News, Arizona Family, here, our local news station, and Goodwill, to show my art and to speak about my work in honor of National Old Stuff Day. Isn't that cool? There actually is a day dedicated to old stuff. So it was National Old Stuff Day. How perfect for me, because I'm all about repurposing the old and making it new again. And I was so psyched. I take every opportunity I can get to get on camera, live even better, and share my passion and share what I know, share what I love, share my work, and share why it's so important to me, because at the end of the day, refashioned art rather is all about repurposing. And it's my way of combining style and sustainability, and it is a great way to reduce waste, conserve resources, and to keep items from unnecessarily ending up in landfill. And guys, let me tell you, whether you're into secondhand shopping, DIY, repurposing, whether you're into it or not, if you care about the planet, please get into it. Start opening yourself up to it, because repurposing, shopping secondhand, reusing these items, no matter what it is, items that already exist, is one of the best things we can do for the planet. Honestly, it really is. And again, it's that circular economy, strengthening that circular economy and reusing the things that have already been made. So essentially, we are maximizing those resources that have already been made. So anyhow, long story short, I was so inspired and excited by this new segment that I made. Actually, I made 4 new pieces. Three of them were specifically for the new segment that I brought with me, and one of those is this right here. And I'm so in love, and it has just opened up this whole new world for me. And honestly, guys, it's opened up a whole new avenue of creativity, of channeling my creativity. Because with this here, some of these things, the paper, some of these things I have used before in some of my artwork, but I also brought in some fabric, some leftover fabric scrap. And I've never used textiles before, but a lot of people have said to me, because I'm, I'm a fashion advocate and I love clothes. And so, I decided, all right, I'm going to repurpose this old pair of jeans, these fabric scraps that are doing nothing and no good sitting in an old drawer. And I thought I'm going to repurpose them into this piece of artwork. And so I made 3, and let me see. I'm going to share with you. Okay, so this is just one of the pieces that I used the fabric scraps on, and then I wanted to share a picture from the news segment that I actually really, really loved. And let me find it. Oh my goodness, where is it? It's not popping up. I don't know why. This camera roll is playing tricks on me, but maybe I won't find it. Okay, maybe it's gone. Anyway, it's on my feed if you want to check it out. Here on ReFashioned art, but I really want to find it. I really want to find it. Okay, this was a cool, oh gosh, the newscaster, the reporter is hidden, but Jess Parsons, she's such a pro, she's such a champ, and she just made it so easy and so fun. But that's me with my staple gun. That is my hero tool for making these couple of pieces. And then this is a video, hi guys, how are you? Let me see. Okay, there's the same shot again. And this is me. I know there's a way. Here we go. Hold on. There we go. Okay, shut the music off. So guys, that was a little time lapse of me making this piece here actually. And so we've got denim in here. We've got some paper. We've got those helium party balloons, those cellophane balloons deflated. And what else do we got? We have some other fabric scraps. I think that's it on this one. And then, gosh, I wish I could show you. Actually, I'm gonna try and show you. Right behind, I'm totally gonna screw this up. Okay, so this is one of the other pieces I made that you're seeing here in the background. And that I decided to call blue jeans. That's mostly denim. and I used white paint on that. I think I'm gonna do another one with mostly white paint. I want it like stark white, like bright white, because I just love white. These, no big, no big. Okay, so I'm gonna shut that off so you can actually, it's just, you know, it's never alive without a technicality, right? Or for me anyway. Okay, so this is one of the pieces. I'm gonna call this Gold Rush 2. I do have a Gold Rush 1 in my home. I'm going to post that in my stories once I'm done here. I wish I had it on my camera roll, but I don't. And I did that piece when I first moved into my home here. So that was about 2.5 years ago, and I haven't done one like it since, but I just love the gold and just the billowy like ripples. I just love it so much. Okay, so more to come on that. And I did do another smaller one like this, which is mostly the gold. And then I did this one here, the blue jeans. And then I did this piece here, which didn't come. That one did not come. But I love this so much because I love black and white. That one did not come to the news segment. You can't see the whole thing. So not ideal, I know. My camera skills are subpar, forgive me. But I made that one because I was just feeling so inspired. And I realized I love black and white. I need to do more black and white because I just love it so much. And I'm kind of like feeling like I've starved myself of some of those fundamental things, like doing these bold, all gold pieces and then the black and whites, because it's just like my signature style, I guess. It's what I love. And those are the things I would love to do all day, all night. And if you've seen my home, most of my home is either the gold or the black and the white. So yes, that's that. And I will move on like I said I would. We are gonna do the live. Hey Kelly, how are you? I'm gonna do my live unboxing. I know that was a little long, but you know what? It was an exciting week, guys. It was a small win, and honestly, it was a gift, and I'm feeling super grateful. Super, super grateful. Sometimes these little wings from the universe just kind of like pop out of nowhere, and it's like, oh, that was fun. So hopefully more of those, guys, to come, because I love getting on live TV and talking about my art, especially because it just, I don't know, even just alone being invited to do that sparked so much creativity. Okay, so here we go. Not as triumphant as opening like the mugs and the other things. Here we go. I know I'm a little too close to the camera, I think. But you know, here we go. It's in a plastic bag, nice and sealed, which I will reuse. I don't want to give all my secrets away, but they'll probably be for either dog poop or dog snacks. Why lie? Okay, so cool. Okay, so it's a mask, but spoiler alert, it is a mask. Ooh, sexy. So this is the bottom half of my logo, love. And it comes with this nice little filter to put inside, and it has a little pocket for the filter, which is super exciting. I hate putting these things on with lipstick because I do have a little lipstick on. Guys, oh my God. Oh! I'm so klutzy. Oh, it has a little thing here for, what do you call those? I don't know. It's like a little wire in there, a little piece of metal, so you can actually secure it under your nose. So now, this is one of those things I said I would never do. I said I would never make masks. I said I would never do a lot of things that I'm doing now with my art business, but I said I'm not doing masks. And I know we're all just about ready to burn our masks, but unfortunately, the truth of it is, we're still wearing them. And just about anywhere you go, there's a big sign that requires you to wear a mask before entering. So I thought, I'm gonna make this a marketing opportunity. So this is the bottom half. Oh my God, now I'm nuts. I need to show you a picture of the actual logo. Well, I think I'm freezing up a little bit. Okay, so that's a picture of me. The cell phone is also the logo. I'm gonna find a better one. I know I'm probably like boring you guys to death. That's not it. Bear with me, I am finding it. Okay, so this is the painting I did. This is from a painting I did a couple years ago. And I put the story on my feed a while back. I actually did this painting just after my dog passed. And I don't know why I instantly fell in love with the painting. In some strange way, it gave me like some comfort that I was really needing at that time. And I don't know, I just fell in love with this painting of this face. Okay, there's the mask. That's this. But I fell in love with that face and I decided to make it my logo. And voila, here it is. It is my logo. And I named it Love, L-A-U-V. Oh my God, this is so annoying. Okay, so this is it. This is Love, the painting on a t-shirt. Another thing I said I'd never do, but now I'm doing it. And this is on order, so it's on the way and I cannot wait to get my sample because I actually think it's so sexy and cool, even though it's a regular t-shirt, but this is the painting, guys. And so on the mask, I just did, the bottom half, so it actually is where my nose and my mouth fall. But let me know what you think, guys. Do you like it? So again, here's Love on the t-shirt, here's Love on the mask, and there is a link in my bio. So these are actually not on shop.IamLauraMadden.com. My main website here is shop.IamLauraMadden.com, where I have limited prints and some of the lifestyle products that I'm doing now. But this is actually on another link. It's made by a company called Vita, and this is a new company that I'm partnering with, just kind of trying it out, but they do the masks and they do clothing. This is actually recycled plastic bottles, which is not my very, very favorite, but it's actually super soft. It's not my favorite material, but I would say it's second best to something natural like organic cotton or linen or one of those things. And I actually, because of the nature of the material, it is actually a very good mask. It is very good at blocking particles, whatever they tell us we need to be blocking. So this is recycled bottles, recycled plastic. I also have a mask on there. I don't love how the design came out as much, but there is a mask on there that's organic cotton. So that t-shirt you saw is organic cotton, and there's a lot of clothing that is also organic cotton, as well as modal and tencel and recycled plastic. So let me know what you think, guys. The masks are available. This is on, So you're going to go to the link in my bio if you'd like to purchase, and you're going to go to the third, I think it's the third link down. It says Shop Lifestyle Line. Shop Lifestyle Line, and this is Love, L-A-U-V. If you want to shop by design, it's Love, L-A-U-V. And these retail for $16. So you can get them for $16. And if you sign up for the newsletter, I think they send you a 10 or 20%, it's a 10% off coupon code for your first purchase, which is pretty darn cool. So that brings it down quite a bit. All right, guys. I don't know. I like it. I like it a lot. It's cute. It is cute. It's hard to tell what it's really gonna look like because my face isn't filling it in. But anyway, that's it. All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of your hair. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Happy Friday. I know it's not as cool when I'm not in my full cocktail gear, although I am in a dress. I wouldn't call this a cocktail dress necessarily, but it's definitely a day dress. It's got some leather inserts. I love it. Oh, and what do you think of my new belt? Just got this at Goodwill when I was there for my new segment. Love gold on a belt. Love, 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 love it. And you know what? I had nothing like this. I had nothing quite like this, actually. So I'm super psyched about this belt. And you know what? It actually goes great with this dress. So what do you think? Let me know. Do you like the look? I always kind of try and pair with the vibe of the art. So I don't know. We get the gold. We got the gold. We got the gold. And you know, I always love black. My favorite thing. So guys, links in the bio. Love your support. If you want to, if you're not following, please follow me. And if you want to sign up for my email newsletters, one went out today. I put all my videos in those and some other behind the scenes shots and videos and I don't know, words of wisdom, life stuff. Yeah, even the life stuff goes in there. It's good. It's good. Don't miss out. So links in the bio to sign up for my email updates, and links are in the bio if you want to shop my prints, if you want to shop the lifestyle line, like the masks and that stuff. Yeah, I know. I said I wouldn't do it, but unfortunately, the bitter truth is we are still wearing freaking masks. We are still wearing them. So I'm going to make this a marketing moment. I don't care. I don't care. And I think we're all at that point, right, guys? We're going to make this work, this situation that's still kind of crazy. We're going to make it work out in our favor, and we're going to come out better on the other side of it than we were at the start. And yeah, that's life. We're going to make it happen. All right, guys, thank you for being here. Again, shop.IamLauraMadden.com is the website, and I will probably be back Monday or